Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this channel, we will study about microbiology. Now, deals about microbiology. What is microbiology? The microbiology is an applied science, which is the study of tiny particles of microbes. The size of microbes are less than 1 micrometer, and we can't see with our naked eyes. So, by using instrument microscope and see tiny particles of microbes. Here we study in detail about bacteria, virus, protozoa, fungi and prions. Types of bacteria: Staphylococcus, Streptococcus, Pseudomonas, Clostridium, Klebsiella, Escherichia coli, Acinetobacter, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Now in this video, we will discuss about Staphylococcus bacteria. So let's begin. Introduction. Staphylococcus bacteria. They are genus of gram-positive bacteria. Belongs to family Staphylococcus from the order Bacillus. Mainly staph is not harmful to us, but sometimes may be harmful and causes many types of diseases. Example: Staphylococcus aureus. They are found in respiratory tract. They are microscopic in nature. They are aerobic, means with oxygen, and facultative, anaerobic, means without oxygen. These organisms are capable to growth in both conditions by using lactic acid and survive them. Next point, morphology. The shape, size and characteristics of these bacteria are that is Staphylococcus. They are gram-positive. They are spherical in shape. They are arranged in grape-like cluster form. The diameter is less than 1 micrometer. They are non-motile, means ये चल नहीं सकता. They are non-sporing, means इसमें स्पोर नहीं रहता. They are capsulated, means बैक्टीरिया में सेल वॉल प्रेजेंस होता है, उसके बाद के लेयर में थिक कैप्सूल लेयर प्रेजेंस रहता है. सो दे आर कैप्सुलेटेड. They are aerobes and facultative anaerobes of bacteria. The pH is 7.5. Next topic, resistance. Resistance to lysozymes and sensitive to lysostaphin. Next point, culture media. Culture media mainly provide a nutrient to growth of microorganisms at a suitable temperature and incubate 24 hours. That is solid media. They grow on ordinary media within a temperature range of 10 degrees C to 42 degrees C. They are aerobes and facultative anaerobes on nutrient agar it is simplest medium, that is peptone water, meat extract or solidifying agent. After incubation for 24 hours, the colonies are golden pinhead in blood agar. The blood agar mainly taken to sheep or rabbit because the presence of heme in blood of sheep and beta lysine in presence of bacteria, and they react and form beta hemolysin. After incubation 24 hours, the colonies become large and circular, convex, smooth, shining, opaque. Now in Mackenzie agar, the colony become pink due to presence of lactose ferment. Liquid media. The growth appears uniform turbidity. Selective media. These may be needed for isolating Escherichia from specimens such as fishes containing other bacteria. Next topic, toxins. The Staphylococcus bacteria are to secrete some toxins, that is cytolytic toxins, enterotoxins, toxin toxin, exfoliated toxin, and again cytolytic toxins are divided into 5 types: alpha hemolysin, beta hemolysin, gamma hemolysin, delta hemolysin, leukocidin. Next, pathogenicity. The pathogen of staphylococci are produces two types of disease, that is infection. The cocci gain access to damaged skin mucosal sites, evade host defense mechanism, and multiply and causes damage. Intoxication. The disease is caused by bacteria toxins produced in infected host. Staphylococcal diseases. Some staphylococcal diseases are common pyogenic staphylococcal infection are. Pyogenic means pus formation, that is wound infection means cow. Carbuncle means painful cluster of boils. Impetigo, skin infection. Cellulitis, the inflammation of cell. Osteomyelitis, the inflammation of bone. Tonsillitis, the inflammation of tonsil. Abscesses means pus formation. Common toxin-mediated staphylococcal diseases are food poisoning, toxic shock syndrome. Toxin means in short form to say TSST. Scalded skin syndrome means skin damage. Point lab diagnosis. The samples are collected to infected person and to culture in lab. The method are used to diagnose in lab, that is a specimen. The specimen to be collected according to their site of lesion. Pus. Pus are taken from supportive lesions. Sputum. Sputum are taken from respiratory tract. Food poisoning. Food poisoning are taken from feces and remains of suspected food. Microscopy. Direct microscopic with gram stain smear is useful in case of pus. Culture. Diagnosis may readily made by culture. Here you can add points of culture media. क्लासिफिकेशन. बायोकेमिकल टेस्ट. यूरेज टेस्ट पॉजिटिव, इसमें यूरेज प्रेजेंस रहता है सो ये पॉजिटिव है. कैटलिस्ट टेस्ट पॉजिटिव. द एंजाइम दैट ब्रेक डाउन हार्मफुल सब्सटेंस लाइक हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड एंड वाटर, सो इट इज ऑल्सो पॉजिटिव. ऑक्सीडाइज टेस्ट, इट इज नेगेटिव. इंडोल टेस्ट, इट इज ऑल्सो नेगेटिव. फॉस्फेटेज टेस्ट, इट इज पॉजिटिव. ये एंजाइम है सो ये इसमें प्रेजेंस रहता है सो ये पॉजिटिव है. डीएनए टेस्ट, ये ऑर्गेनिज्म ग्रोथ करता है ये इसमें रहता है सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो पॉजिटिव. कोगुलेज टेस्ट, इट इज़ अ प्रोटीन सो इट इज़ पॉजिटिव. Antimicrobial susceptibility test, this should be performed as a guide to treatment. Serological test help in diagnosis of hidden deep infection. Molecular test used to detect the spread of a strain during suspected outbreaks. Next point, treatment. The modification of antibiotics, that is benzene, penicillin, vancomycin, linezolid, nepenicillin or oxacillin, telavancin, etc. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel for more interesting video related to microbiology.